What if you have an idea right now that could be something real? An idea, a brand, a business, something that can make the community better. At Junior Achievement, we believe the students in Sacramento have the creativity and the talent to really make a difference in our community, and we're creating a free space for those students to explore and build those ideas. I'm Chris Marshall, President and CEO of Junior Achievement of Sacramento, and I'd like to invite high school students from across the region to Idea to Income, a Be Entrepreneurial Startup Lab. Taking place right here at the Golden One Center. It's a free event, July 27th and 28th. So what is Startup Lab? It's an interactive entrepreneurship experience where students work together to creatively solve problems, learn about business concepts, and understand how entrepreneurs bring business to life. Students will be working through 2 modules from Be Entrepreneurial. First, JA Creative Problem Solving, where students will work to identify real-world problems and think creatively about how to solve them. And JA Rapid Business Planning, where students quickly shape their idea into a business concept with a clear strategy, plan, and audience. Students will also hear from an entrepreneur keynote during a special JA launch lesson experience, where they'll gain insights from someone who built their business through innovation, creativity, and entrepreneurship. But this experience is about more than business. It's about leadership, confidence, problem solving, communication. These are all skills that you can use in your next phase of life, whatever path you choose. And for students that really want to take their ideas further, there might be even bigger doors that open. JA offers the opportunity to potentially compete not only in our regional, but also national competition alongside other young entrepreneurs with great ideas. So if you're a student with ambition, creativity, and an entrepreneurial spirit, not only do we want you here, but you need to be here. Join us July 27th and 28th for Idea to Income, a free Be Entrepreneurial Startup Lab right here at the Golden One Center. Bring your ideas, bring your energy, and build something bigger than you ever imagined. Sacramento's next great business idea could start with you.